How's it going, everybody? Just wanted to get a quick little video in today. There's a pop I've been meaning to get at GameStop the past few weeks that just haven't really gone on my way to try to get there. But I don't think this will be too hard to get. According to GameStop.com, it's in stock at the one by my house. But let's go pick up Nicholas first. In the meantime, have you all heard the new Nas album yet? It's pretty legit.
I ain't gonna hold you. Old head gave me old news. I don't owe you. Should've heard when I told you. You are an extension of what I work hard to build. You believe in your own lies, can't be real. And the odds is that what you love could kill you, like a heart physician who dies from a heart attack. I know the consumer behavior, I target that. You impressed with what they wear and I started that.
Hey, Nicholas. What'd you do at school today? Do you know where we're gonna go? You wanna go find Funko Pops?
Mickey Mouse Funko Pop.
You want a Mickey Mouse Funko Pop?
Yes.
Maybe on your birthday.
I want to go get it. I want to go get it.
Alright, let's go to GameStop, Nicholas.
No, I don't want to get it.
What?
I don't want to get it. I don't want to get the pay. I want to go park.
Well, we're gonna go to a place that sells games, but they also sell Funko Pops, okay?
I don't want to. I want to see Mickey Mouse Funko Pop.
Alright, let's go find one maybe.
If Starbucks is bought by Nestle, please don't arrest me. I need to use your restroom and I ain't buy no espresso soon enough. Assume the cuffs, the position not new to us. Sits back on the bus, sitting, said screw that bus. Boycott.
We're at GameStop, Nicholas.
I see Mickey Mouse right there.
You saw Mickey Mouse out there?
Yeah.
Do you know what that was? You saw one of the Target balls, the red balls outside? They decorated like Mickey Mouse.
Look it.
What's that? You want Deadpool? That's a good one. We're looking for him.
And I played one left with the background on that one.
He's hiding out there though.
I want Deadpool.
Yeah, you're looking for it, buddy. They're showing one in the system.
I want Pokemon.
You want Pokemon? They don't have those Funko Pops yet. You looking for Deadpool, Nicholas? Let's see.
So I need to do this shit.
He couldn't find the Deadpool, but he's looking back for us, buddy.
Look it.
Oh yeah, DuckTales?
Yes.
Yeah?
That's the real Mickey Mouse Santa Claus.
The real Mickey Mouse Santa Claus?
Yes. I need.
Woo! Well, that was a failure. They were showing.
I want that one.
The sweater?
Yes.
They were showing they had one in the system, but they couldn't find on the shelf. There was none in hold for anybody, and there was none in back. So somebody might have stole one or put it in the system wrong. Either way, that's kind of a bummer, but might as well go to Target while we're here. Nicholas is mad. He wanted to buy some DuckTales Pops, and I didn't let him.
I don't want cookies. I want Mickey Mouse set.
Let's see if we can find anything you want, buddy.
I want. Yes, I mean, back.
It actually does not look that great over here.
I want that.
You don't even know who that is. Well, we failed. That was 2 days ago. We didn't find the Deadpool at the GameStop. They were showing one in the system, but they couldn't find one, and we just went to Target. Didn't find anything else there either. But Saturday now, we're gonna go over to my parents. We're prepping for his birthday party next week, and the GameStop near my parents is showing it's in stock. So hopefully we can find it there.
I don't want to go to GameStop with you.
He doesn't want to go to GameStop with me. I guess I'll go by myself.
The evil doll, the evil midfielder, Chucky Lozano is back on the pitch.
Not throw out the car.
Yeah, don't throw it in the car.
That is a Mario.
Mario?
Yes.
Do you see it?
The Incredibles has yet to be.
We don't have this, right?
Not that one, though.
Do we have a Princess Jasmine in that suit, though?
We have, yeah. Just different clothes.
It is a tablet.
Here, hold this for mommy.
He needs to find Deadpool. I don't see it here. Yeah, I was looking for the GameStop exclusive Deadpool Samurai.
The
Deadpool.
Samurai, unfortunately, I don't have any extras right now, but come Monday, if I do have any, they will be available.
Okay.
I have noticed that GameStops, because they don't know what the clientele is looking for, they will only send like enough for pre-orders and then not much extra, maybe one or two extra. So if you guys are ever in this store and you see one that you're excited for, definitely put that $5 down.
Okay.
Get yours guaranteed. As a pop collector, I know the struggle of trying to find it.
Oh, what's that Daisy?
knows them all.
That's a Mickey Mouse. That's a Mickey Mouse.
That's the Mickey Mouse? Okay. And that's it. Rick and Morty?
Yes.
Oh, the clearance ones are half off.
Nice.
I want more Daisy.
Hold on. Oh, there you go.
Got it, bud? Perfect. Have we talked to you about the reservation ones before?
Yeah, just
Yeah, okay.
Pretty lazy on it.
No, it's okay.
here you go, mommy.
Thank you.
Well, no Deadpool, but Nicholas and Christina got pops. Well, I'll have to get the Deadpool another way, but Nicholas is happy.
Southern Daisy, a big thing.